Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how do you cancel your 10 web subscription. So without any further ado, let's just dive right in. So first of all, what are you going to do is simply head over to your account, and you are going to be seeing a drop down menu on the top left side of your dashboard. So basically this is an official guide. Now of course, to cancel subscription you need to get one first, which I currently do not have one, but you will get a point once you are onto your dashboard. As you can see, basically this is our dashboard, and once you log in and sign up to the account, you will be onto your dashboard and you will be able to see a drop down menu which you are going to be accessing. And then on the there you have this subscription plans option. So basically the subscription plan that you are subscribed to is going to be listed there, and you'll be redirected to the subscription page where you can view the details of your current plan if you want to upgrade, downgrade, or even cancel it. So to cancel it, you are going to be using the button. Click here and then submit the cancel option. So that is literally it, and that's how you cancel your subscription on 10web. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.